Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's recipe, guys, we are making this amazingly delicious one pan oven baked chicken and rice. For this recipe, we are going to use chicken thighs, but you are more than welcome to use chicken breast. The chicken is so juicy, and we're gonna be using basmati rice. This is a great family meal that is easy, delicious, and budget friendly. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, rinse the rice really well and drain, then set it aside. Now let's move on to work on the chicken. Here in my bowl, I have 8 pieces of chicken thighs. I'm gonna add paprika, garlic powder. I'm gonna add kicked up chicken seasoning. I'm also adding in black pepper and salt to taste. Give everything a good mix. You can marinate this for 1 hour, but I'm gonna go ahead and brown it right away. In a large skillet, heat about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the chicken skin side down. Cook for 3 minutes. Flip the chicken and continue to cook it for another 3 minutes. After 6 minutes, the chicken is well browned. Remove from the heat and set aside. Now let's assemble our chicken and rice casserole. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Then sprinkle rice evenly over the top. Now top with green peppers and onions. Toss in 2 whole cloves and 1 cinnamon stick. Next, pour in 2 cups of chicken stock. I'm using 2 cups of basmati rice, guys. Season with salt. Now place the chicken over the top. Next, pour all the juices into the rice. Don't worry about the amount of the juices. The rice is gonna absorb all the juices and it's gonna be so yummy. Cover with the foil, then bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. There you have it, guys. One pan baked chicken and rice. Remove the cinnamon stick and cloves, and dinner is ready to be served. Please subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.